We get a lot of questions about what is the best way to clean the device. Now, being glass, it does collect fingerprints, just like a laptop or a phone would. Now, if you have a microfiber cloth like this one, you can actually just wipe it off without even using any kind of cleaner. That usually does a pretty good job. However, if you want to add a little bit of disinfectant, you can. What we recommend is that you take basically a 50-50, 75-20 mixture of rubbing alcohol and water. Obviously, the rubbing alcohol can disinfect, and then the water just dilutes it a little bit. The important thing is that you never spray the board directly. We don't want any kind of liquid to get into the edges or the corners. So always take your microfiber cloth and spray it directly on here, and then proceed to wipe. Now, something to be aware of, when you are cleaning the panel, remember it can read any kind of touch. So if you have something open like this, as I wipe, you can see that it's still recognizing the touch when I wipe it. So you might want to shut down the panel all the way and then proceed to clean it that way.